The question of AI replacing human jobs is now at the center of every discussion about the future. By 2030, the job market will look completely different from today, but the truth is more complex than simply saying yes or no. Which jobs will AI replace first? AI will eliminate jobs that are repetitive, predictable, or rule-based. Examples include call center jobs, receptionists, cashiers, data entry operators, security monitoring basic level editors and designers, scheduling and administrative roles. These roles can be done by AI 10 times faster and at zero cost once installed. Creative jobs are no longer safe. Earlier, people believed creativity was a human-only skill, but now AI can generate full videos, write scripts, create thumbnails, compose music, build websites, design logos, edit photos and videos. AI does all this instantly. This means even creative fields are being transformed at a massive scale. Which jobs will survive and grow? Future-proof jobs are those that require deep human judgment, creativity at a high level, emotional intelligence, strategy, and plan and advanced technical knowledge. Examples of safe and growing roles: AI engineers, cybersecurity experts, robotics technicians, surgeons and medical specialists, psychologists and counselors, business strategists, human-centered designers. AI can assist these roles, but it cannot fully replace them. AI will create new job fields too. Just like the computer revolution created millions of new jobs, the AI revolution will also create careers we cannot fully imagine today. Expected new fields include AI supervision, AI auditing, prompt engineering, data ethics management, AI-powered robotics, maintenance, virtual world design, digital humans, and avatar creation. So while AI kills some jobs, it also creates high-skill, high-paying ones. Freelancers are at the highest risk. AI has already shaken the freelancing world. Clients now expect faster work, better quality, lower price, 24/7 availability. AI offers all of these, so freelancers must evolve or disappear. The only surviving freelancers will be those who use AI to multiply their skills. Global impact by 2030. According to major studies, by 2030, 40 to 45% jobs will be automated, 60% workforce will need skill upgrades, over 100 million people will switch career fields. AI-related jobs will dominate all industries. The world will run on a partnership between humans and machines. The reality: AI will not replace humans completely. AI will replace people who refuse to learn new skills, but AI will empower people who adapt. The future belongs to those who know how to use AI efficiently. Conclusion: by 2030, the job market will be transformed. AI will eliminate millions of old jobs but create millions of new ones. The key is not to fear AI, but to grow with it.